welcome back to my channel here at zanzanlife.me. And today, as you can sense the excitement in my voice, I have got, drum roll, I have got a Henry. Now, if you've watched my previous video, when I was going to the shop, I wasn't sure what I was going to find. But I've always wanted the Henry because I think they are good hoovers. Anyway, let me unbox this little beauty, this little boy. So welcome to my unboxing video of this little beauty. I can't wait. My Hoover recently gave up on us, so we decided to go on a hunt. We've never had one of these before, so this is our first time, and it's very exciting. Yay! Everything is in. That's the owner's instruction manual. Yeah, as you know me guys, I'm not very big with instructions, but this looks very straightforward. I hope we can easily put this together. Okay, so that's that, and that will be your section. Your head. Someone told me. What is it called, Asha?
This is one of the new voltage saving ones, I think.
I think I'll let Asha take over from here.
Okay. Yeah. The model of Henry that we have. I'm just looking on the box. It should be somewhere here. Yeah. It's a So this particular Henry model is a Henry 160. And it's HVR 16011. That's to be specific. The head is one of the new power saving. So these are one of the newer power saving ones that you can find on pretty much all Henrys now, except the cordless one, I think. Not sure. There's this thing in a box. Now let's open it up and see what it is. It is a nozzle for stairs and those tight spots. You've got a nozzle for, I don't know what this is. Pet nozzle.
Oh yeah, it's got lots of pieces. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, pet nozzles are
It's going to be a job putting it together.
Yeah, you can get pet nozzles on pretty much any Hoover, but there are specific Hoovers in the Henry series for pet models, more specifically Harry.
And what does the pet nozzle do?
The pet nozzle gets rid of all like pet fur and things.
Yeah, pet hairs.
Yeah, there are multiple pet nozzles. I'm pretty sure this next one is one of them. Allow me to just get it out. Here we go, here's another pet nozzle.
That looks like a hairbrush.
I know, right? I could use this to do the Kelton's hair. I don't think she'd be on board with that though.
What's in that?
And last, but certainly not least, we have the thing to connect the
Pet nozzle.
yeah.
It looks like a hairbrush.
You slide it in on here.
Oh yeah.
That's clever, isn't it?
Okay, let's go to the next part.
The next bit is a connection tube.
What does that do?
You use it to connect to this big bit here, which is where you get most of your reach from the Henry.
Yeah.
Because this has a 26.1 meter reach. It says it here. It says 26.1 meter cleaning reach, which this helps extend it. And we've got multiple of these. We've got another one of these here.
Let me see.
got another one of the metal extenders. I'm gonna read the instruction manual. So that was pretty much all we had a bit more extenders. Now there's the big nozzle tube that looks like a giant horn. You've got a bit where you can just like hoover under sofas and the sizes where you just need to put under the sofa. And now we have Henry himself.
Henry got
Man of the hour.
Tonyiga mukwano dia sembera weno produce bana chimale tuwaye.
There you go, guys. Look at that beauty. It's beautiful, isn't it? I must say it's a bit heavy. It's on the heavy side. But this is a proper Hoover. At least you know that it's not going to get spoiled very soon. Looks like a real deal. So we'll get this little beauty together.
Tonyiga mukwano dia sembera weno produce bana chimale tuwaye.
See?
Okay, so now one of the only bits left after we've already connected our Henry is to put on the bag.
Yeah.
And so first you take from this side and you gently take out the thing. So you take out the nozzle and you take out this nozzle. Then you lift it up and have the inside of your Henry. Now that we've lifted up our lid, we take this out, and as you can see, they've already pre-fitted a bag for you. This model comes with one spare bag here and a weeble. So they come with this spare bag, and they've already fitted a bag for you. So along the side, these are the spare bags that we've got. We have 5 of these, which will last about, I'd say, 5 months. It would last us quite a while though. So to remove the bag and put in a new one, first you pull out the bag, and with it you'll see you have this red bit. You push that over the entrance of the bag here, and then you can bin it. Once you want to put in a new one, you take it by here and you just put it in like that. And yeah, that's it, really.
Yeah, that was good. Are you guys excited?
Yes!
Yeah.
We're gonna use everything!
I want to see how good this guy's at hoovering.
I know.
And
So do I.
Apparently in the...
Should we go and try it out?
Yeah!
There you go, guys. Look. I've taken that off. That's the plug protector from new. And this is the cord. Very long enough to reach the plug or the socket, I mean. I'm going to plug it in here. And here you've got the switch off and
Wait, can I
on.
help you?
And the light here is showing us that it's plugged in. So let's get hoovering.
Yay! Go! No!
Go and go.
Wow, it's so powerful. Oh my days. Wow.
Oh wow. You're cleaning our floors like crazy, Henry.
Well done, you're eating so much food now.
Look at this nest here.
Look at that. No, not to eat there.
Okay.
Move.
Henry is good.
Powerful.
Look how powerful Henry is.
Why are you angry?
tonyiga mukwano dia sembera weno